Can TCL TV be wall mounted? Yes, TCL TVs can be wall mounted as they come with VESA mounting compatibility, allowing you to attach them to a wall mount bracket. Wall mounting a TCL TV saves space, enhances viewing angles, and provides a sleek modern setup. However, you must use the correct VESA mount size and ensure proper installation for safety. 1. Checking if your TCL TV is wall mountable. Most TCL TVs support wall mounting, but you need to confirm the VESA mounting pattern. Check the TV's back panel for 4 screw holes in a rectangular or square pattern. Look at the TV manual or TCL website to find the VESA mount size, such as 200 by 200 millimeters, 300 by 300 millimeters, or 400 by 400 millimeters. Ensure the wall mount bracket matches the VESA size of your TCL TV. 2. Choosing the right wall mount for your TCL TV. There are 3 types of wall mounts to consider. Fixed mount holds the TV flat against the wall without movement. Tilting mount allows slight up and down angle adjustments. Full motion mount offers flexible positioning with swivel and tilt functions. Choose a mount based on your room layout and viewing needs. 3. Installing a TCL TV on the wall. Follow these steps to safely mount your TCL TV. Step 1. Find a stud in the wall using a stud finder for a secure hold. Step 2. Mark the mounting holes at the desired height. Step 3. Drill pilot holes and attach the wall mount bracket using strong screws. Step 4. Attach the mounting plate to the TV by aligning it with the VESA screw holes. Step 5. Carefully lift the TV and secure it to the wall bracket. Step 6. Tighten screws and check if the TV is level and stable. 4th. Alternative mounting options. If you cannot drill into the wall, consider these alternatives. TV stand with mount. A floor stand with an attached mount for a similar look. No drill wall. Mounts. Some adhesive-based mounts support lightweight TVs. Tabletop. Stand. If wall mounting isn't an option, use the included TV stand. TCL TVs are designed for wall mounting, but choosing the right VESA-compatible mount and following proper installation steps is essential for safety and stability. If drilling is not possible, alternative mounting options like TV stands with mounts can provide a similar experience.